Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Ekraft Geeks. In today's video, we are going to be discussing the topic Defibrillator. The following contents we'll be doing in today's video are introduction, purpose, types, mechanism, power and side effects. So let's begin. Introduction. So what is a defibrillator? A defibrillator is an electronic device that uses a process defibrillation in which an electronic device sends an electric shock to the heart to stop an extremely rapid irregular heartbeat and restore the normal heart rhythm. The process defibrillation is a common treatment for life-threatening cardiac dysarrhythmias, ventricular fibrillation, and pulseless ventricular tachycardia. Purpose. The purpose of defibrillation is that defibrillation is performed to correct life-threatening fibrillation of the heart, which could result in cardiac arrest. It should be performed immediately after identifying that the patient is experiencing a cardiac emergency or has no pulse and is unresponsive. Types. Defibrillator are of two types, internal defibrillator and external defibrillator. In the internal defibrillator, electrodes are placed directly to the heart, for example, a pacemaker, and in external defibrillator, electrodes are placed directly on the heart, that is, for example, AED, which is automated external defibrillator. Mechanism. In terms of mechanism, fibrillation causes the heart to stop pumping blood, thus leading to brain damage. Defibrillator drives a brief electric shock to the heart, which enables the heart's natural pacemaker to regain control and establish a normal heart rhythm. Power. In power, higher voltages are required for external defibrillation than for internal defibrillation. A corrective shock of 750 to 800 volts is applied within a tenth of a second. This is the same voltage as 500 to 533 in AA batteries. Hence, after learning about the defibrillator, the purpose, types, mechanisms, and power, let us know its side effects. Some of the risks are allergic reaction to the medication used during the procedure, swelling, bleeding, or bruising where your ICD, which is implantable cardioverter, was implanted, then damage to the vein where the ICD leads are placed, and bleeding around the heart, which can be life threatening. And that was the end of the topic defibrillator. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Ekraft Geeks. Thank you so much and see you next time.